center. Now, which is in the center? If I say geo, means Earth was considered as the center, and around Earth everything was considered to move. But that was an ancient concept. Now, what we say is Helios. Helios means sun. Now, we consider sun to be the center of the solar system, and around the sun we have the movement of all the 8 planets. Now, how do you remember the name and the order of the planets? Very simple technique. I give you a mnemonic here. My very easy method, definitely it's easy so far. My very easy method just speeds up naming planets, right? So M, I changed the color here. Okay, so M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune, and P, no, as of now it's not a planet, but that was Pluto. In 2006, it was declared that Pluto is no more a planet. But just to remember this mnemonic, it makes it simple. My very easy method just speeds up naming planets, and that's how you can remember the order of the planets. A very direct question asked in most of your multiple choice questions. Clear? The next is, these objects in the sky were deciphered long back by Babylonians. Now, a little of history we have introduced, not much, but yes, that's to just create an interest that this is something we are not creating as of now or discovering very recently, but our ancient civilizations, even the Babylonian people, knew the existence of sun, planets, and the related elements. So, our solar system is interesting. Why? 8 planets, as we discussed. Pluto, a dwarf planet now, 176 moons, 5 dwarf planets. Then we have 3296 comets. Don't you think what are comets? We'll come to that later. What you think here? Don't you think it's really interesting? Such a vast expanse, we cannot definitely know and remember and assimilate each and every concept here, but yes, whatever we can, it would give us a greater insight into the system. So, solar system has the inner planets and the outer planets. Just to keep it simple, these 4 planets which are closer to the sun are called as inner planets, and the remaining 4 planets are called as outer planets. What is the difference? Inner planets, as the name suggests, they are inner because they are closest to the sun, and these are far from the sun. These have either no moon or less number of moons. However, the outer planets have more number of moons. Another very important difference that you must be clear about. The inner planets are mainly rocky and terrestrial. However, outer planets are gaseous and have ice material in Uranus and Neptune, right? And gas giants in as considered as Jupiter and Saturn. These outer planets are also known as Jovian planets or giant planets. Okay, so these are, I write it again, giant planets or Jovian planets or outer planets. Now, another important term that you must be familiar with is